Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can set window animation scale on your Android. So, this option change the speed of mouse animation in your Android, and let's start by tap on setting to activate developer option. You can scroll down, search your about phone, try to search your build number. You can tap repeatedly build number until a notification pop up and tell you that developer option is on or you are on developer option. And then tap on the additional settings. Here we go. This is the developer options. You can tap it and now you can access developer mode or options here. You can scroll down and search for window animation. Here we go. This is the window animation scale. Animation scale one time is the default. So if you're setting them to values like 0.5, can sometimes make your device feel faster, but can also result in choppier experience. So you can feel free to try. You can adjust or set by your own preferences. This is for developer option. This is for developer mode. Feel please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.